Yo, what's the deal, world? This the kid, Lil Rich. Now y'all see this video I got up on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, SoundCloud, all that shit right now. I'm the man, brand new exclusive banger on my unreleased mixtape, Open Up the Trap, you know what I'm saying? This shit been to be a hood classic, you know what I'm saying? Number back-to-back bangers. For y'all motherfuckers been rocking with me, y'all already know how the kid get down, you know what I'm saying? So, comment on that shit, share it, leave feedback, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up, man. Fuck with your boy Lil Rich. I fuck with everybody, man. Follow me on Twitter at I am Lil Rich. Hit me up on Instagram at Swag Daddy 1029. Just hit me up, man. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with me, you try and get the features and shit jumping, we'll work it out, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hard to get along with. Shout out my squad, my team, Juice Man, Young Sway, Theta the God, T Ferg, Honey B, motherfucking Tip Young, J Rock. Everybody rocking with the movement, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just shit finna go down for real, dog. It's finna get real. For real. But yeah. Like I said, check out that brand new music for myself. Check out my nigga Young Sway's brand new single featuring myself called We Stay Ready. It's on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, everything you can about think of, it's on there. So fuck with us, share that shit, leave the feedback, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with us, cause we fuck with you. We do it for you, man. Henry Born Entertainment. This is the big boss man, Lil Rich. And I'm out this bitch, man.